Unbox my new tripod ring light mixed together. So let's unbox it. It's a high-powered LED light ring light. Shadowless illumination, bi-color options with daylight and powered by any standard power port, adapter, or USB power bank. Smartphones might work with most phones. You know what? I don't care if it's unboxing. Smaller than the one I have now, and I'm kind of actually glad that this is separate. Oh my god, this is heavy. So this is it. This got some weight to it, and this one is so that the phone could stand up on here. I don't have any phone with it. Oh, yes I do. Oh, it go like this and like this. Smart. But I'm gonna put it like this because I'm gonna be making a lot of videos like this. Wow, this is big. This is so big. Oh, my thing was in there. The remote. I don't want this to be in the way. Do it automatically twist it? Oh, this is nice. Hello. I probably might end up making my videos like this though, but like, hello. I'm not gonna put, I don't like flexing it out that much. This goes out? Okay. Hello everybody. So let's attach. Oh, all I gotta do is just slide it in. Oh, this is pretty easy then. This is, where's my power bank? Huh? I am confused. Oh. I am so literally confused right now. So I put this through. Twist. Oh wait. Let me see how this light works. Oh, okay. This one, but that button. I like this. Oh, wait a minute. This would be good for interviews. Now, where did the thing go? This is how it works. This is hard, so I guess I'm just gonna end the video. So thank you guys for watching. So let's try it out.
I am hard.
Now let's turn the light on. Okay, let's try it. Okay, do I look good? Is this the highest brightness? Oh, this is the highest brightness. So this is warm, cool white, normal light. I'm gonna put it on cool for right now. I have to get my remote out. The batteries better be in this thing because do I have to use Bluetooth? Apple shutter button, Android shutter button. So like, I have to connect to my Bluetooth on this. So hold on, let me put the Bluetooth on. Now it's connected. It's connected. That's how this is the remote right here. That's how I had turned this camera on. So let me press the button, turn it off. I just turned you back on. This thing is, oh wait, this thing is great, and I really like this. And this is this is a good $27, $28 spent with all of this. So let's try out the warm light because I kind of like the warm light. Okay, so add this coloring with my mid-dark recoloring. Did this look good? But for some reason before, the camera did not look right. Probably because I was recording in HD. And I hate recording in HD because it looks so funny. But yeah, this looks nice. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. This is the actual ending. So I hope you guys like and subscribe and turn on notification, whatever you want to call it. Subscribe, and this is it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and bye-bye.
It's worth it, I know what I want. Gotta keep it all in focus. Gotta keep it all in focus. And every time I feel like it's getting too real, I gotta keep it all in focus. Gotta Gotta keep it all in focus.